How to replace your CIBC credit or debit card. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can replace lost or damaged credit or debit card of your CIBC bank. So to do that, it's really quick and easy. What you'll have to do is simply, first of all, log into your CIBC account. Now once you've logged in, your home page will look somewhat like this, where you'll have to simply tap on the card or the account which you want to replace. Now once you've done that, you will be taken to this page where you'll have to simply tap on the option manage my card. After that, it will basically provide you three different options. There you'll have to tap on the option replace damaged card, or if your card is lost or stolen, you can also do that by tapping the option replace lost or stolen card. Now, if you choose the option lost or stolen card, you'll have to first of all lock your card and then only you will be able to replace it. But if you choose to replace damaged card, you will not lock your card, you will only replace it. So simply choose the one which suits your conditions the best. Now, once you've done that, simply tap on the option request and there you have it. So that is basically how you order a new CIBC card. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.